Hey, this is your replacement chain procedure for the zebra shear shade with a fabric wrapped cassette valance. So to start, we'll look at the left side of the shade and pop off the side panel to reveal the pin end of the roller. And if you just press on the pin itself, you can pop out the roller on this side. Then we'll move to the other side of the cassette, and you'll pop up the side panel as well, revealing the chain side. And from here, we're able to release the roller from the cassette itself. And just ensure that when you do this, you're very careful with the fabric because one layer is attached to the cassette itself, so just make sure not to rip it off or damage the fabric in any way. And then once we have that, we can pull apart the chain itself and the clutch, and it just pops right out. And then you'll take your new one and align it with the grooves and pop that one right back in. And from there, we can reassemble the roller into the cassette itself. So you'll pop it in back on this side, add the side panel again, and then on the left side, we'll add that as well. And so you'll want to reassemble the pin side as well. You just push down on the pin, and you can pop your roller right back in. And then make sure you replace the side panel as well. So in all, it's fairly simple, but just be careful when you're doing this process and make sure you have a nice table to stand your shade on. And that's it.